Hi all. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I had a partner, but they turned out to be antisocial and slightly dominant in not the fun way. Anyway, just been away for over nearly a year. Nearly a year. Over 9 months. Wow. Okay, so yeah, work. Woo. Here we go. So I've changed some things, working on the bird aviary, creating a sculpture and tunnel piece for them. They can get up and around. If I go around to this side, blah, 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 blah. Plant and plant and alright, let's whoop. Yeah, we got that wrench. Alright, so this is going to continue off like this till it gets to here, and that's a small like entertainment slash enrichment tunnel, and the birds can come through this part. Exciting. There's the door you all remember. I hope, if not, as a video somewhere. And then the aviary slash rose and aloe vera garden. Heaps of tidying to do, and my back is killing me because winter is only just starting soon. Not pleasant. Anyway, good luck, have fun. Treat others how you expect to be treated.